Thus, alphabet, the alphabets in German. German letters are same as English, but in German there are 4 special letters A, Ö and U, known as Umlaute and etc., the double S sound. Several letters are pronounced more from the back of the throat, G, Sh, R. Though in Austria the R is trilled. The W in German sounds like V in English. The V in German sounds like F in English. Most of the time, the S in German sounds like Z in English when placed at the beginning of the word followed by a vowel. The letter etc. will never appear at the beginning of the word. So let's start pronouncing the first German alphabets. Are you ready? So let's start pronouncing our German alphabets. I repeat and I pause for a second. You try the pronunciation by yourself. Yeah? So let's begin. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. So these are the 26 alphabets similar to English. Now the special characters, the vowels A, O, U will have 2 dots on top of them, and these are called as Umlaute, and the pronunciation goes as A, U, and the last special character, etc. It is similar to the beta sign what we use in our maths. It is called, it represents 2 S's, the sharp S, set. Okay, wonderful. So let us repeat the alphabets once again. Yeah, and in the form of a small song, what you might have learnt in your kindergarten, similar to our English song. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, wunderbar, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Das ist nett. Yeah. Once again, along with me. A, B, C, D. E, F, G, H. I, J, K. Wunderbar. L, M, N, P, Q. R, S, T, U, V, X, Y, Z. Das ist nett. Wunderbar. Yeah? So, the moment you start practicing the song, the alphabet pronunciation stays fixed in your mind.